Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, before I conclude, I want to make a confession. Because there are many people here who say the former Prime Minister is the father of devolution. Maybe they have read in the newspapers, maybe they heard through the TV, but I was there on the table when you fought for devolution. As a member of Parliament for Langata and as a Prime Minister, you fought for devolution in Naivasha, in the morning and in the wee hours of the night, navigating the political turmoil of that time. You fought for three things among many things. Three were irreducible minimum for you, because I was a member of ODM. You achieved two. You achieved devolution, and you achieved and you helped us as a community, the Muslim community, the Kadhis Court, to be entrenched in the Constitution. And I can tell you without fear of contradiction that when history is written, the Muslim community in our country will remember your position. But you fought for also a parliamentary system of government. Kenyans fight every election because of bombers. You wanted to devolve the presidential election through a parliamentary system of government, where one day a son in Turkana or from Kuria will ascend and become the Prime Minister of Kenya. That did not happen. It didn't happen, but at least in everything that you look for, you don't get 100%. We got a good constitution with a very good Bill of Rights. Devolution was key. And just to pick on the region where I come from, former Prime Minister, before devolution, the three districts of Northeastern and the three, which are now the three counties of Garissa, Wajir, and Mandera, used to receive a paltry 1 billion shilling in one financial year. Today, because of devolution, Garissa, Wajir, Mandera combined receives close to 30 billion. That is because of what you did as our leader then and our leader now.